Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on simultaneous equations, part 2. A special puzzle to warm up the brain cells is on the next slide. The answer will be given at the end. Enjoy. What is the meaning of the following? Good luck with it and see how you go. If you would like to subscribe now, please do so here, otherwise you can subscribe at the end. Algebraic solution of simultaneous equations. Solving simultaneous equations algebraically is a very efficient approach and can be mastered quite quickly. One popular method is the substitution method. For example, solve the following equations using the substitution method. X equals 2y plus 3 and 2x plus y equals 1. Now I've named each of these equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Substitute for x in equation 2. So the 2y plus 3 is substituted in for x here, because that's the value of x. So 2 outside of 2y plus 3 plus y equals 1. 4y plus 6 plus y equals 1, because we've removed the grouping symbols from here, and that gives us that part there. When we simplify that, we have 5y plus 6 equals 1. Subtract 6 from both sides, gives us this line here. When we simplify that, we have 5y equals minus 5, so y equals minus 1. Substitute this value into equation 1. So we put minus 1 in here, which gives us x equals minus 2 plus 3, so x is 1. So the solution is 1 minus 1, and that satisfies both equations. The elimination method. A popular way of solving some equations is known as the elimination method. In this method, we use either addition or subtraction to eliminate one variable. The two equations are 2x plus 3y equals 23 and 5x minus 3y equals 5. If we add those two equations together, you will see that that section there is eliminated. The y's will be eliminated because plus 3y minus 3y gives you 0. So 2x plus 5x is 7x. 23 plus 5 is 28, 7x equals 28, so x is 4. Substitute the value for x equals 4 into equation 1. That gives you 2 times 4 plus 3y equals 23, 8 plus 3y equals 23, so 3y equals 23 minus 8, 3y equals 15, y equals 5, so the solution is 4, 5, and that will satisfy both equations. Another example. 3x plus 4y equals 10 and 4x minus 5y equals 3. Now you can see here if we add those two together, those two equations, nothing is eliminated because those numbers here are different. See? The 4 and the 5 are different. If we multiply equation 1 by 5, that is by this number here, see, by the second number. And if we multiply equation 2 by 4, that is by this number here, let's see what happens. We have 15x plus 20y equals 50, and we call that equation 3. And we have 16x minus 20y equals 12. And we call that equation 4. If we add those two equations together, we have 31x equals 62, so x equals 2. So substitute x equals 2 into equation 1. 3 times 2 plus 4y equals 10. 6 plus 4y equals 10. 4y equals 4, so y equals 1. So the solution is 2, 1, and that satisfies both equations. The two equations can also be subtracted from each other to find the solution. So in this particular example here, we have both of these here are plus 3y. So if we subtract equation 2 from equation 1, we have 4x minus 2x is 2x, 3y minus 3y is 0, so the y's are eliminated, and 22 minus 14 is 8. So 2x equals 8, so x is 4. Substitute x equals 4 into equation 1. We have 4 times 4 plus 3y equals 22, 16 plus 3y equals 22, 3y equals 6, so y is 2. So the solution is 4, 2, and that satisfies both equations. Here's a quick quiz to help you, and please check through the video if you need to do so. The answer to the puzzle, antivirus. It's virus spelt backwards, antivirus. Here are the answers to the quick quiz, and the video is there to help you if you need it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe on the next slide and you'll receive a notification as to when the next video is available. Hope to see you next lesson.